Hi, I'm Megan Hoffman, a technology integration specialist with the Southwest West Central Service Co-op. In this video, we will take a look at how you can use the Shortcuts app, which became a default app with iOS 13, to customize the Speak Brush Teeth Routine shortcut on an iPad. Using this shortcut may be a way to bridge students needing support from another person to becoming more independent. Hang on while I hop over to my iPad. When you are on the home screen of your iPad, open the Shortcuts app. Once you have opened the Shortcuts app, click on the gallery. It's the first option on the left-hand side. In the gallery, click on the Shortcuts for Accessibility banner, which is the first option in the top row. Scroll through the shortcuts in the Well-being category to find Speak Brush Teeth Routine. By default, this shortcut will give step-by-step instructions on brushing your teeth with wait time between each instruction. We will add this shortcut and then customize it for another task. Click on the Add Shortcut button. This shortcut is now added to your shortcuts, which you can find in the All Shortcuts menu on the left. Open All Shortcuts. Long press on the Speak Brush Teeth Routine to get the pop-up menu and select Edit. This is where you can customize the shortcut for any routine. For example, let's make a routine for getting ready for recess in the winter. First, rename the routine by tapping the down arrow next to the name, choosing Rename, and typing the new name. Scroll down to the first text box and type in the first instruction. In the Speak Text section, you can adjust the speed of the text, the language, and voice. In the Wait section, type in the length you want the wait time to be before giving the next instruction. Continue adding text and adjusting the speaking rate, language, voice, and wait time for each item. If you need more actions, text, speak, or wait, select All Actions on the right-hand menu and scroll to find the action you want to add. If you are creating this on the student's device, you can make it a bit easier for the student to find the shortcut. Long press on the shortcut and select Details. Choose Add to Home Screen. If you create this on your device and need to share it with the student, you can share it via AirDrop if that option is available with the devices, or you can email it to the other device. Both of these methods will put the shortcut in the Shortcuts app. You can then follow the instructions shown previously and add the shortcut directly to the home screen. You can add icons or emojis to help students recognize it even more easily. Now students have verbal instructions ready for them, even if an adult is not right next to them telling them what to do. There are many ways this tool could be used. Older students could have instructions for laundry or other independent living skills. Think of the routines for which your students need step-by-step instructions to be successful. Could this be a helpful tool? For more technology help and ideas, check out the SWWC Technology Integration Team YouTube channel. And remember to click subscribe. Thanks for joining me to explore shortcuts and ways to use the app with students. I hope you develop tons of ideas on how this could help students on their journey to independence.